I need to take out clothes from the boxes and that they are just summer clothes and hang out and put it at the right place. Okay. Put them, hang it up, hang up here. Put the similar colors together. Let's see how many tops. This one and stay with this one. And this one. And cover this one. So when I look for the skirts, I just look for like that. And tops, I can easily find out. So that's why. With this one. And this one. So, with this one. Save the hangers. The green one. And this one. Just put the clothes with the same colors together. Hang up the tops and the skirts together. Oh, those ridiculous ones. The fancy clothes. How can I deal with you? I'll put it on with one that I never wear. No. Okay, just keep it like that. Those brown ones. This one. Where's this one? This one. Go with this one. So there's the two hangers. And okay, more black ones. What's this? The cotton with the jeans. this one. Okay. The dots goes together. Yeah, all dots. Polka dots. Love polka dots. The white one. White. Okay, I love this one. I wear it frequently. And this one, actually, I don't wear them. Oops, stuck. What happened here? Okay, I see. And together with this one. Yeah. Put the white ones together. Okay. This one. Okay. This box is empty now. Let me take it out.